Hello friends, back with another video, and today I'm gonna embroider this cute laughing cat, and just I will be embroidering the outlines and few parts of his body. Using the chain stitch, I'm using all the three strands and just making the straight chain stitch for the outline. Just pushing it from here and bringing it out from the loop inside like this. Again, repeat that same process. Using this stitch, I'm gonna embroider whole of his body, face, tail, everything outline. This could be a nice, useful pattern design for your short embroidery, tiny short embroideries for your pocket, sides, your batches, and anything. This would look a cute patch for things. And here I am. The complete outline has been done. And now let's change the shade of the color to a little orange, or you can say a bright orange, and just fill it up with a satin stitch. I'm gonna fill his tail like this. Let's fill up the side patches of the cat, one side from here and another side here. Now finish up the head part, the three patches in the same way. Let's complete her ears. And his cheeks. Now it's time for his eyes, and make sure I'm gonna make some straight stitches for his eyes, and make sure to lock it like this on one side. Otherwise, if you pull the thread from below, it would disrupt your outcome. And now make another straight stitch and lock it over here as a curve. Similarly for another part of his mouth. And the other eye. Just lock it up. Now filling his mouth with the same red, the maroon shade color. For filling I am using the 6 strands, and for the outlines I have used just the 3 strands. Now it's time for his hands outline, and I'm using all the 6 strands and making the chain stitch. What I have done for the whole body outline, and in the same way. Make sure you subscribe me below and hit the bell icon to never miss any future videos, because these are gonna be very useful for your everyday embroidery or creative embroidery project ideas and many things related to hand embroideries. Just make a straight stitch or you can make even a chain stitch for the details inside the hand, like his finger lines, and again complete the whole outside. And once done, just push it inside to finish the stitch. And I hope if you enjoyed this video with me, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and be part of my little YouTube family.